Hi fashion lovers, today I'm going to teach you how to take a proper body measurement on your clients. A proper body measurement, because the first thing you are going to do as a fashion designer is taking a proper body measurement. When you get it wrong when taking your measurement, there is no way you are going to get it right when sewing your clothes. Because the foundation of sewing a cloth is taking the proper body measurement. And the first thing we are going to be needing is our tape rule. What do I call it? Tape rule. This tape rule is the one that is going to tell you what to do and how to do it. Yes, this is a very crucial instrument in fashion designing. You need to get it right and get your tape rule correctly. In fact, I've heard that it is better to use the tape rule than you use in measuring your clients when you want to sew your clothes. I don't know if you get that. That's valid. And the next thing you are going to do is letting your customer be available. Yes, because we have different body type, shapes, and everything. So your customer needs to be available. But when your customer is not available and you have done two or more of that body type, you should be able to fix it. But before you now try that, you should know how to take on an available customer. The first thing you are going to do is locate the waist of your customer. You are going to locate the waistline of your customer. Get something, you might even use a rope. You might decide to use another tape rule to get the normal waist. The normal waist, that place that is in somehow, or sometimes it might be big, but you will see the shape beside that it's a kind going in than the usual body. That's the waist. You are going to tie a rope on that so that you'll be able to get it right when taking it. Firstly we are doing the front measurements first. I believe you know we have two types of measurements. We have the horizontal measurement and the vertical measurement. The measurements you are taking straight and the one you are taking round. I hope you get that. Good. The first thing you are taking is your shoulder to your bust point. Bust point, can you see? You are going to take from the highest part of your shoulder, the highest part of your shoulder, that's beside the neck. We are going to take it, and for this mannequin it has 10 to the bust point, to the nipple. Yes, to the bust point. You are going to ask your client, is this your bust point? Let them confirm it and place your tape rule on it. Don't release it and take it down to the under bust of the client. Check well. Be sure that it is placing well under the bust. See, if the customer is wearing bra, lift it a bit so that it will sit at the under bust. Ensure your customer is putting on a bra before taking their measurements. Can you see? Sorry about that. So the under bust of this mannequin is 13.5 inches. You are not leaving it. You are not leaving the 13.5 inches because you are taking it down from that place. And from that 13 point, that's the under bust, the 13.5. You are now taking it down to the waist. The waist. This is 18. The waist is what? Is 18. Is 18. But if you are joining a gown, you know that you are adding 3 to this 13.5, which will give you 16.5. That's when you are joining. That's the joining length. So the 3 I have taught you now is from the neck to the bust point, which is 10, to the under bust, which is 13.5, and to the waistline, which is 18 inches. Can you do that on your own? Try that, let me see. And moving forward, we are going to the hip point. This is where the bust protrudes. The bust is going to protrude. Don't remove your hand, don't release your hand from the 18 inches because we are continuing from there. So here's where the bust protrudes. We are now going to locate that O form on the human body, this kind of place, that O form. It shows where the bum bum protrudes. So this is on this mannequin. If you check well, you're having 21, and that is our waistline. That's where your bum bum will protrude. So when we are drawing the pattern on the paper, I will show you how to protrude, to bring out that bum bum. Yes, I'm going to show you. And this is 21 inches. From that 21 inches, you are going down a bit to where the bum bum stop protruding. No, it's a kind of C form at the back. So where it stop protruding is 29 here. That's where the bum bum stop, and that is where we call the shaping length. The shaping length. So that's the first shaping. So we are going to have the second shaping, which is above the knee. Like from this 29, let's say the knee of this mannequin is 40. No, the knee of this mannequin is 41, and we have 29 as the first shaping. We are now going to divide it by 2. No, 29 to 41, the difference is about 11 inches. So you add just 5 inches to this 29, which will give you 34, and 34 is the second shaping. That's the second shaping. So we also have the vertical measurements. Those are the horizontal measurements. Now the vertical measurements, the round measurements. Let me say the round measurements so that we won't start confusing ourselves. So the round measurement, this one is the straight measurement. Then we have the round measurements. The round measurements are the bust, where you measure your bust area. Make sure it is not that firm, like seriously firm, but it is okay. Like for example, here we have 34. This 34 should be able to take it up at the back, and it will work, it will go, it will fix well, and not too slack. Not too tight, not too slack. Just take it like this and make sure you put it at the bust area. It is going up, it is going down with ease and not too slack. Can you see that? We have 34 and half as the bust of this mannequin. There is always a difference between the bust area and the under bust. So that's why we need to take the measurements separately. Now we are going to the under bust. The under bust, where you can remember now, the under bust. Now, the measurements for the under bust. For this mannequin is 27 inches. You can see it is not too tight and it is not too loose. This is 27 inches. So can you compare that of 34 to 27? No. Reason being that when you have this protruded area need to be fixed and the under needs to be fixed, that's when the cloth is going to look good on you, like it's going to be smart on you. So you know the point then, bust point, under bust point, the point was 13.5, but the round now, the round measurement is 27 inches. So we now go to the waistline. As we can see, we are going to make it go round, not too loose and not too tight, remember. So as we have taken it to the waistline, make sure we round it and be sure that is the accurate waistline, leaving little ease, like not too tight, remember that, but being smart. So we have 26 inches on the waistline. Can you see? Now we are going to the hip. Remember, this is where we have the hip point the other time. Yes, we are now going to the hip to get exactly where it is protruded, much more protruded. That's the area we are going. We're going to the hip line. For this mannequin, we have 39 inches. It's be able to go down, go up. No, we have 40 inches. So you should be able to go up, go down. You should be able to do it like this, go up, go down, so that you'll be able to have the cloth. The customer is going to be able to have the cloth, but not too loose. This is 40 inches, and that is the most protruded aspect of it. So this is where we are going to be stopping the video today, and we are going to go for the part 2, where I will show you how to take the back measurement. Yes, so that it will fix and sit well on your clients. Kindly subscribe to this platform. Please share. Please leave your comments. Which area do you want me to explain much more on, so that you get it better before we now go to pattern drafting? Thank you so much for watching. Kindly comment what have you learned on this video or in this video. What did you learn? What's the new thing you get? And subscribe. Please subscribe and invite your friends to subscribe on this platform, because we are still going to take more and more of fashion designing techniques and patterns that will make you excel in this your fashion journey. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.